You guys have a truck on the tracks. I'm gonna have a train hit. Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! Oh shoot! Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Ooh, I hope nothing got broken. Oh guys, today is April 17th, 2002, my birthday, and oh my gosh! Wow! This is crazy. Oh my gosh. How did this happen? How? How did it happen? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is crazy. How did this even happen? Oh, look at that. There's a log car right there. There's a log in the police cruiser. Oh my gosh. Oh, snapped coupler. Oh, sorry, that's shadow. Snapped coupler there. I don't know if you can see it. This is the Mesa logging truck. Oh yeah, that's as stiff as a board. Look, I'm using. Oh wait. Yeah. Yeah, it's jammed. That's probably why. Oh wow. Let's go sit it there. Oh. Oh no, my brand new hot burst I just got too. Wow. Well, this will probably be on the Fall River News. Actually, I think it's. Oh, here's a Fall River News right now pulling in with a van. Right there, see? Pulling with a van. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see what's on the news. Good morning and welcome to Fall River News. This morning we have breaking news. A train has hit a semi-truck and derailed severely. There's 3 people injured, including the truck driver. One of the passengers lost 2 legs and broke his leg, but he's looking for full recovery. Everyone is looking for full recovery, but this is a really serious derailment. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get started. If I try to video this in just a second. So as you can see here, we have the major trees around it. We have a bunch of hopper cars on the sides. Some are derailed. This is the Fall River Railroad. This is the first time they've ever had derailment. It's pretty severe for the first time ever having a derailment. This is probably going to be their worst derailment they've ever had, unless they're carrying crude oil. As you can see, we're going along the tracks. Here's the MBTA station, and yeah, we're going down to the MBTA station at the end of the other end of the train. So we're gonna go to him. Hello, and here we are at the other side of the train. Here's the tracks. There's the caboose right there. This has been a very severe derailment. As you probably heard, some people were injured. As you can see, there's the other side of there. What we think happened is it came down the eastbound track here. What we think happened was it came down the eastbound track. It was going at its top speed, of course, and it smashed into that semi-truck over there and derailed. But the train stopped short, which caused all the force of the cars to pile up on top of each other. This has been Fox News. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's actually me this time. that was the news broadcast, stuff like that. Yeah, this truck is solid on the tracks. I can't even move it right now. Okay, I can partially move it. Yeah, the train stopped short, and there's a lot of weight in this train. Some of this car is actually a very heavy car right here. That main central caboose, it's a steel caboose. It weighs about 3 pounds. Copper rail system, metal. This was the main car, metal. CP rail car, metal. These two hopper cars, metal, metal. Of course, metal, but that doesn't really count because it's the lead unit. Tesla Lighthouse Pro. All of that heavy metal pressing against it is very hard. Thanks for watching.